All right, for this station, you are going to need 10 or more plastic or paper cups. You're going to take those cups and line them up evenly spaced on the edge of a table. Then, your mission is to blow the cups off the table one at a time. You can use a balloon or a paper plate to do this. Every cup you blow off the table is worth 1 point. How many points can you get in 1 minute?